Easy 2 points by Cruz. Rebound by Ahmad. Steal by McGuire. Easy 2 points by CJ Espanola. Also. 13 seconds to shoot. Wala, rebound by. Easy 2 points by Sampayan. Sampayan. 15 seconds to shoot. And to shoot. Five to shoot. 3 points by Tobias. 3 points by Tobias. Ayun ko lang naglaro. Tobias wala. Easy point by Sampayan. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Score natin 5-4. Espanola, tumira ang press. Masok yan para kay Espanola. Score 8-4.
Pensa! Wala!
Rebound by Benedict. Wala. Astuji. Espanola pumunta rin sa win. Wala. Rebound by Benedict. Nawala ang bola. Easy 2 points by Ahmad. Jake pinasakay. Wala. Rebound by Rivera. Wilson. Pinasakay sa Espanola. Espanola. 15%. Seven seconds to shoot. Counter. Who's power? Easy to counter foul. Easy to bounce by cover. Who's power?
5.
Number 5, Gales. First personal foul, first team foul by Gales. And then Asmus. 11-6. Ready change back tayo. Easy 2 points by Ahmad. 11-8. Still by Wallace. Outside, bola ng Tevis. Then we change back down, next ball possession. It's 10 to shoot. Change back. Official score, 11-10. Isa na lang bola ng right. Lester, wala. Binasay Karamihan. Easy 2 points by Karamihan. 12-11. Napak na po ang red ng isa.
Sibet, konti pressure. Konti pressure.
15 to shoot. Easy 2 points by Quizon.
Pressure, Sibet.
Amancio, tumingin 3, wala. Ibang by Karamihan. Wala pa rin. Still by Karamihan. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. That's by Amancio. 13-15.
Pressure tulong, Karamihan. Nice one, nice one.
Still by Karamihan. Time out. Quizon, wala. Rebound by Ramyola, pinasay, wala. Fourteen seconds to shoot.
Good.
Easy 2 points by Quizon. Karamihan, wala. Ito kay Apo. Foul by Lester. First personal foul by Lester. First team foul. First free throw, wala. Second free throw, wala. Points by Ahmad. 19-15, 2 minutes.
Basta flat, pre.
Points by Karamihan. 21-15, 1 minute and 45 seconds. Points by Stephen Cruz.
Landin!
Points by Quezon. 17-23. Second personal foul by warning number 17 Elokso. Second personal foul ng Elokso. Second team foul. Foul by number 23 Abot. First personal foul, first team foul. 36 seconds. 15 to shoot.
Derecho!
Foul. Basket count para kay Ahmad. 25-17. 30 seconds. Bonus free throw. Thirty seconds. Foul by Elokso. Third personal foul, 14 foul. Warning for penalty. Bonus free throw wala. 18 seconds. Wala pa rin. 10 seconds. Easy to points by Amar. 5 seconds. Foul by number 23, Abut. Second personal foul, first team foul. Foul by Kenneth Cruz, number 24. First personal foul, second team foul. Easy to points by Mandela. Easy to points by Mandela. 30-21. Easy to points by Mandela. 30-23. 8 minutes. Easy to points by Gales. 32-23. 3 points by Espanola. Easy 2 points by Sampayan. Winning points by Manila. 34-29. Apply para kay Sampayan. Rangola, all the way. Winning points by Rangola.
Timeout ba? Timeout?
15 to shoot. Easy to points by Bruce. 36-31. Wala lang, sayang ang tiro ni Rivera. Time out. Demi. 6 minutes and 49 seconds. Two points by Kapini. Mas magaling pong Kapinig nandito sa kanina. Stephen Cruz, wala. Rebound nino. Rebound ni Gales. Gales pa rin. Kaso na block. Ayan, sumigaw ni Espanola. Bigay nyo na. 3 points pa lang gusto. Rebound by easy 2 points by Ranyola. Baka maglalakla to. Ranyola, Espanola.
Espanyol eh.
Isa lang ang lamang ng Aseos. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Warpas sa kanyang anak. 38-35. Last man by Kapini. Warpas to Rangola. Hindi mo points. 37-38. Easy 2 points by Stephen Cruz. 40-37. Ready change time. Espanola tumira ng 3. Wala.
Baba!
Easy 2 points. Change 5. Change 5. 42-37. Kabado pa. Naiya pa. Paano pinaglalaro? Paano pinayayan? Teralao. Wala. Nabitawan. Ahmad. On the way. 2 points by Ahmad. Elokso. Nasa kay Quezon. Quezon. Even the points para put back by Quezon. 44-39.
Kapit gas! Kapit gas! Nice gas!
Rebound by Elokso. Titira, Elokso, titira. Wala. Sabate. Same ball. 14 seconds to shoot. And to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 points by Sampayan. Wala. Karamihan para pass to Sampayan. 3 points. Sorry. Sampayan. Steal by Sampayan. Time out. Time out. Official score 51-39. Easy to points by Easy to points by Pandesal. Still by Quezon. Abay. Tumira ng press. Tumitang na press. Tama. Malakas ang tira. Points by Abo. Easy points by Quezon.
Kalma!
15 seconds to shoot.
Big!
Easy to points by Kapini. 55, 60, 55.
Walang cross pass. Kaya mo lumapit. Big!
15 to shoot. Abu, 3 points by Abu. Bola ng Astrius. 63-55.
Big!
15 to shoot. Rebound by Quezon.
Pat. Stick sa gitna. Natin, gusto ko. Para.
foul. Caribbean. Good, good, good. Tumama. Good. Sorry, tumama pala.
Sorry. Mag-isa lang si Marco, walang dulo. Okay lang yan. Natin! Wala pa, tumama ka, 0.
14 seconds to shoot. Three points by Abu.
Nice one! Ito.
57-66.
Ikot lang. Set lang. Lapit!
Easy to post. Time out.
Yung niya! Okay lang.
Substitution. Sixty-eight, 57.
Hey, baba.
6 minutes.
Kabila! Tagal!
3 points by Cruz.
Harap lang! Ayan na!
Easy to post by Abu. 3 points.
Sige, di pa lang! Tulong! Mapapagod yan! Nice one!
Easy to points by Rapini. 7-4, 6-1.
Spread!
3 points by Cruz. 7-7, 6-1. Foul by Ahmad, first personal foul, first team foul now. Hey, pasok na. Wag na.
Sayang! Baba. One tap.
Easy to points by Sampayan.
Stephen, wag yung mag-inbound! Nice one!
Easy to points by Quezon.
Pick.
Easy 2 points time up. Astros. Foul by Abu, number 23. Abu, third personal foul, second team foul. Seventy-nine, 67. Easy 2 points by Quezon. Abu, 3 points by Abu.
Tapos na yan. Support na. Support na. 1 minute na lang.
Wala. Easy 2 points by Stephen Woods. 69 game to go. Wow. First personal foul, third team foul.
Hindi pa na-gym na ako eh. Ano ang ginagawa? Hindi ako nakapagpas.
First free throw pasok.
Pagbabat ka ba?
O, yung ka muna, unti lang.
Second free throw pasok. 84-71.
Ha? Ilan na bang?
Kamote. Una tapos sa amin ko. Ano kasi kami kanina?
Nakapante.
Ako
82 points by
nadala ako masyado sa trade.
86-71.
Kanina. Kaya po.
55 seconds.
Kasi nakakabawi ako sa trade.
Wala. Points by Ahmad. 14 seconds. 35 seconds. 88-71. Points by Abu. 91-71. 16 seconds. Foul by Bruce, second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Grabe! Sige. Shoutout, Ben.
Nice one natin.
14 seconds to shoot. Steve by Carolina. Easy to points by Carolina. 95-75.
Bani.
Points by Carolina. No finish.
Bago di ko na-beat.
Points by Papini. 15 seconds to shoot. Dahil wala, ibang tayo lakso. The points by Papini. 5 minutes.
Galing.
Easy points by Abu. Personal foul, first team foul. First free throw pasok. Second free throw pasok.
Hello.
Easy points by Cruz.
Uy, traveling.
Easy points by Mabini. Easy points by Aman. 1-3-5. Easy points by Tapini. And the second, 1-3-7. Wala. Rebound by Cruz. Outside. 10 seconds to shoot.
Na kayo? LJR.
Rebound by Ahmad.
Ulang kami takpin ng yan. Okay, mga marunong sa paglaro.
Points by
Ano gago dito na ah?
Tapini. Offensive foul by first personal foul, first team foul.
Hindi din na-actingan ng ano. Uy! Ha?
Foul by
Ano? Ano pinag-yan? Si Pabelo sa amin wala. Si Cortez wala. Si Miley. Saka si Shed. Minor wala nga rin. Ano nga nagbihan na dadala ka dito.
official score 1-3 na.
Takay ka dyan. Masiraan ka ulit. Walang puta ka dito.
Easy points by Ahmad. Steal by Mandian.
Patay. Wow.
3 points by Abu. Pakasok po tayo, tibay po. Time out. Easy points by Fred. 3 points by Ahmad. Easy points by Prison. 46 seconds. Wala. Tayo na time out para pumasok ang kabal na mukha. Ayan mo ayos pa rin wala. Saba. Wala ka rin.
Bang, bang.
20 seconds. Wala. Agud. Wala pa rin. Bibigyan mo ka naman lakas eh.
Dik, 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 dik.
Wala na oras.